Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina, and I am here with a Dollarama craft for you. I'm going to show you what I did with this linen sheet that I bought at Dollarama. It came in different patterns. The one I'm going to use is this one, but they come in little bags like this. They're $1.50. And I will show you what I did with mine. So I thought of making a little bag topper. So I took this bag topper that I have, and I figured I would use this one. It comes with a bow to put on top, but I don't think I'm going to use it. Maybe I'll try and cut it out and see what happens. But for now, I'll just use this and see how it goes. So I have cut a piece off, just enough to fit my, that it goes through my die cutting machine. And I have the Big Kick by Sizzix. So I will put this on my, first of all, my plate, my bottom plate, and then I will put the die on, and then my top plate, and I will run that through my machine here. Just 1 second, and I will show you that. I hope you can see how it goes through. I can hear it cutting. Oops, sorry, my camera went down here. I have a little weird setup here. I did not put it on here all the way. There we go. Now that'll fit. So I'm going to run it back again. And then I'm just going to take it out, and I will take out the whole thing, and I will just put it in the other way. And I'll pull that fabric through there and just run it through this way. And I think once would be good, would have been good enough, but I just wanted to make sure that it was cut good. So I will move this, and then I will take my plate off. Move this out of the way, and let's see, I hope it cut. So far the outside is removing good. I don't know if you can see that. And again, it is fabric, and I've never cut fabric with my die cut machine before. There's a few little things that are stuck here. Maybe I should have put it more in the middle. So I just cut that off, and it's really stuck to the plate here. So I'll take that off. And yep, it cut pretty good. It's got a few little places where it's stuck. Like right here, it's stuck just a little bit, but I'll just cut that off like this. And there we go. Cut that off too. And then it's got a few little threads here that I'll just cut off. But it cut fairly well. I'm actually surprised how it cut. Yeah, that is pretty good. I don't think I'm going to do the bow, because I think these lines are so thin, it'll just be, one thread hanging there, so I won't be doing that. But there's how that looks. And then I'll show you how I put it together with my package here. So I just cut a little piece off like this. And I'll just run some tape on it, and maybe I'll open my tape to do that. There we go, on either side. And then I'll just, this is a bit of a big package, so I'll cut the top off. This is a Ziploc bag, but I'll just cut off the top there and put it down, fold it over. Oops, didn't do it straight. I'm very new at doing crafts on video, so you'll have to forgive me if I don't show you what exactly I'm doing. So there's that. And if you don't line it up exactly on the sides, just snip off the sides. And then you could either staple it on. Let me see, what am I going to do? Staple or glue. I think I'm just going to put the glue on, since that worked pretty well, or the tape runner. Yeah, like this. That worked pretty good. And just place that on like so, and turn it over like this, and there we go. There is my little topper, and it is so cute and so easy. You know what? I think I should move this down a bit like this. No, that's not right. How do I do this? Like this. There we go. That's perfect. And you have a place to hang it here. And you could also cut the bow with some paper if you wanted, and put the paper on here like that. But I think it's just pretty like this. I don't think you need anything else. So that's my little DIY with the little fabric sheets that we can get at Dollarama. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. If you have any questions, please comment down below, or give me a comment, or if you want to know anything, or yeah, whatever. Sorry about that. Yes, thank you so much for taking the time and watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.